afternoon! Welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Manang Wilma. Today we will be cooking chicken curry with zucchini and mushroom. This is kind of like a favorite dish of ours in our family. So, let's cook! Okay, magluluto tayo ng chicken curry. So now I have to start right now. My goodness, itong onions ko talagang malapit nang masira to. Kailangan na talaga gamitin. I have to use this onion is almost getting bad. So, take out the bottom part there. Okay na yan. I'm trying to do the video myself so I don't bother my husband because he is busy with other stuff too. So I'm going to try to be able to do my own videos. So I could still vlog even though he's not around. Ito na yung mga ano natin sangkap. I'll just chop this onion. For our chicken curry. And we'll be this is just a quick dinner here because I need to go back to my healthy diet para yung ano ba, avoid the carbohydrates and sugar. So control my sugar para makita pa natin yung ating mga great grandkids, ha. Have to be careful with what we eat. What we eat has a lot to do with our health. So it's good to really watch what we eat. Nakalimutan ko na itong dish na to if I put ginger or what. Maybe what I'm going to do, I'll put since I have lemongrass, I'm going to go ahead and put lemongrass in it maybe. Or maybe I just follow what I used to make. So on this recipe we're just going to use two chicken breasts and we'll remove the fat. Yeah, chicken breast is good for you. So we'll just dice them in small pieces. And you could cut it however you want to cut it. I just give you an idea how big I slice this chicken breast. And it don't take long to cook this. The stuff that we need is just the chicken breast. Of course, we need a coconut milk. We cook this chicken breast in coconut milk, and we'll season it with a curry paste. It's a little spicy dish, but we could control the spiciness of it by not putting as much curry paste. I'm not a fan of very spicy. I like spicy stuff, but not Indian spicy spice. So, you know, this your chicken breast, if you want just one, it's fine too. It's up to you how much meat you want on the dish. But on this one, I'm gonna put 2 because my daughter loves this dish too. She is arriving tonight. She's in a 2-day trip to Salt Lake City with the two kids, Jana and Henry, and so I may invite her for dinner. We'll see what time they get here. It's actually a 4-hour drive from Salt Lake City to back to Roland, so we'll see if she gets back on time for dinner, then I will invite her for dinner. So we'll have the zucchini. We're supposed to, let me wash this thing real quick since we'll just put 1 zucchini. Peel the zucchini here. This was fresh from the garden of my sister-in-law, Buena. And it's kind of nice to have a family that has a garden that we could have some fresh vegetable. I've been harvesting her. She's been supplying me with zucchini for my zucchini bread, and then I provide her with zucchini bread. That's a very good trade there. And it's nice to have the vegetable fresh from the garden. It really makes a difference on the taste of your vegetable. Okay. And then you just chop this. On my cooking, I like to use the younger zucchini because it's not that much, it's not pithy. So, see, there's the seeds in there. You need to make sure you get the seeds out. Fan of it. I could get him to taste it, but okay, let's cook. Where are, of course, we'll just saute our onions and garlic, and then garlic. I like a lot of garlic, so a little bit of salt and mushroom seasoning. Let it simmer for like 2 minutes. Okay, we just need to sear that the chicken breast, and now we'll put our coconut milk. I'm just using 1 can of coconut milk, and I put half of it here, to about half, to cook our chicken breast. Looks so good, smells good. And then we'll let it continue cooking our chicken breast. Let's put it for probably 10 minutes. We got our chicken breast cooked already there. We'll add a mushroom and a bamboo shoot. We don't have fresh bamboo shoot in here, so okay, and we'll let it simmer there for probably 5 minutes. Okay, tingnan natin dito. Ayan. Naluto na yung ano natin, chicken breast. And we will add... No. We'll add zucchini and green onions, and we will season this with fish sauce. And smells good. Okay, and we will let it simmer again for another 5 minutes. I forgot to put the main ingredients on this, and this is our curry paste. We just put a little bit so it don't have to be so spicy. I bought the wrong kind of a version, but it's still curry paste. It's a red one instead of the green one, but it will have the same result. So we'll see just a little teaspoon of it, see what that do to our curry. Okay, I'm going to put the final coconut milk here. The rest of the coconut milk in the can. And oh, it looks so delicious. And we'll just bring this to a boil. And we're ready. Oh, it's so delicious. Okay. This is our finished product now. It's all done. Let's eat. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to comment below, like, share, and subscribe. Bye! See you in my next video.